So guys, the whole reason why we're here is this whole PayPal Business Makeover contest. You guys won the PayPal Business Makeover contest. I'm sure you're like, how is that possible that we were chosen? But you guys were really amazing candidates. And there were, I understand there were more than 13,000 businesses that applied and competed against you. And as a result, the prize for winning this, I mean, you're getting $10,000 in cash from PayPal, which is awesome. You're getting a payments makeover from PayPal. What are you gonna do with the $10,000? Like, have you thought about it yet?
Well, in our particular field, you know, every year equipment changes, and there's some equipment we're kind of looking at just to increase our capacity, which then becomes accessible to, you know, our community. And that was kind of a big goal for Forge, was to make this stuff accessible. So the more stuff we can bring in, the more stuff people can come in and use. So working with them, it's, you know, finding out the e-commerce, in which our particular case is like multi-vendor. We're going to have payments come in to us via PayPal.
So where do you think this company will be? What is the sort of 5-year plan, 7-year plan for this company? If we were to like move you forward that, like, what would you like to be seeing Forge doing?
Sure. I mean, it's hard to put a 5-year plan on a company in today's, you know, technological landscape, but from the beginning, Bryce and I have always wanted to expand our capabilities. That's why we focus on buying equipment. You know, we really value that stuff because we started from nothing, you know. We were 2 guys with nice computers and some software licenses and a cheap 3D printer. But as we get on more clients, we do more projects, we utilize different capabilities, and we'd like to bring more and more of those in-house.
That's great. So Bryce, Adam, thank you. Congratulations on winning the PayPal Business Makeover contest. You guys totally deserve it. Spend the money well and wisely. It sounds like you will. Take advantage of the experts that are provided to you, because we all need that. We're all underutilized and under-resourced. So by all means doing that. And maybe we will talk in 5 to 7 years. You guys have expanded and grown, and you're in the right field. You're doing all the right stuff. So again, thank you and congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
Great.
Thanks.
Thanks.